the piano and let's play the right hand melody for Mingle Game Song Round and Round from Squid Game 2. This is how it will sound when you have completed this tutorial. Welcome to another piano tutorial. Now in this video, we will go through the melody line by line. First, I'll show you the notes using letter names. Then I'll guide you through the fingerings I used for smooth playing. And finally, we'll play together so you can practice along with me. Let's get started! Now this song is in the key of B flat major. We have a B flat and a E flat. So be sure whenever we are playing a B or a E, you lower down one semitone from B to E. We're going to go B flat and E flat. The first note, don't go get, we're going to start with F. We're going to put our finger 4 over there. Don't go get. We have a F, 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 G, E flat, F. And then the next don't go get is exactly the same. F, 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 D, E flat, F. So for our fingering, we have a 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Again, 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, can you play it together with me? Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. And 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. For the second line, binga, dora, ga, myon, chume, chup, si, da. We have a G, 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 A, B flat, A, G. Then we have a F, F, G, G, F. For fingering, we have a binga, 2, 2, 2, 3. Do, ra, ga, myon. We have a 4, 4, 3, 2. Chume, chup, si, da. 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Let's play this second line together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. And then we're gonna go back to the melody that's similar to my first line. Don't go again. We have a som bel yon chu myo so, exactly the same. F, 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 D, E flat, F. No re ru bu re myon. We have a F, 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 D, E flat, F. Okay, for the fingering is 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Let's play this line together with me. Line 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. And last line we have a ra la la la, G G G C, Dre go up ge, B flat A G A, chum chu da. We have a B flat B flat B flat. For our fingering, ra la la la, 2 2 2 5, Dre go up ge, 4 3 2 3, chum chu da, 4 4 4. Let's play this fourth line together with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 2 2 2 5 4 3 2 3 4 4 4. Let's move on to our chorus. We have a ring a ring a ring a ring a ring a ring. So we're gonna move up to finger 5 on D. D D D D D C. Ring a ring a ring. We have a B flat B flat B flat G F. For our fingering, it's gonna be a 5 5 5 5 5 for ring a ring, and then finger 4 on ga. Next one, ring a ring. We have a 3 3 3 2 1. So let's play this line together. Ready? 1 2 and we go. 5 5 5 5 5 4 3 3 3 2 1. Next line, ring a ring. We have a C C C C C D. Ring a ring. We have a C B flat A B flat C. For fingering, it's gonna be a 4 4 4 4 4 5. Ring a ring. 4 3 2 3 4. Let's put this line together. Ready? 1 2 1 2 finger 4 4 4 4 4 4 5 4 3 2 3 4. Let's move on to our third line. So ne so no jab go mo do da ham ki. We have a finger 5 on D. D D D D D. Now this time we're gonna have our B flat, C D, E flat, E flat, E flat. So now you realize there's a change of our fingering. We have a 5 5 5 5 5 on D. Finger 2 you're gonna squeeze to B flat. And then so that we have a turn over there to C, high C. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the fingering one more time slowly. We have a 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Finger 2 on B flat, and then we're gonna turn to 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. So let's play this third line together smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, finger 5 on D. Let's go. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Then we're gonna move back down to our finger 5 on D for the last line. Okay, so we have a D, 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 B flat, C, B flat, A, G, F. So that you realize there's a turn over there. Our fingering is 5, 5, 5, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn down to 2. Okay, so let's play it smoothly. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 5, 5, 5, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. And then we are done with the song because after that we're going to go back to verse. Okay? Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.